Hi friends, this is Supal Rajwade and you are watching me on my YouTube channel. Guys, you know that I am a government teacher and I used to be survive in just a pant shirt and shorts in my childhood. I was I was not good in studies because my mother and father both were very illiterate. They don't know a single words how to teach their child, and I'm 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 a child. So my parents had no restrictions on me at home because they don't know how to survive in his child. Guys, it was the year 1994. My father climbed the tamarind tree to pluck tamarind in the backyard of my house in the afternoon. There was a mango tree next to the tamarind tree. He tried to pluck mangoes along with tamarind. Due to this effort, he lost his balance and fell on the ground, due to which he went into coma and he was admitted to the district hospital Ambigapur for treatment. Due to which he went into coma one time and he was admitted to the He tried to pluck mangoes along with tamarind. Due to this effort, he lost his balance and fell on the ground, due to which he went into coma and he was admitted to the district hospital Ambigapur for treatment. But seeing his condition, the doctor has referred him to Bhilai for treatment. But seeing his condition, the doctor has referred him to Bhilai for treatment. But there was no improvement in his condition. He was stayed there for about 8 to 10 days, but there was no improvement in his condition, and he became disabled forever because in those days we were very poor. We could not do anything because we have very poor we were very poor. We have not much more money to we have not much more money to money for his further treatment. As a result, I had to do farming, even though I am only 14 to 15 years old, but forcefully, because instead of my father, there there were there was no any worker which could do farming work, and forcefully I had to do farming. I used to survive in I used to study in school and at the same time plow fields for half an hour. I remember that I was so poor from class 1st to 12th. I used to survive in just pant and shorts. I also remember that whenever I got rupees from my parents, I used to be very happy. And I will tell you one more thing, guys. I from class 1st to 12th, I never ever went to school for 6 consecutive days in a week. And I will tell you, guys, being as a government English teacher, you know that I have to teach class 1st to 12th only English subject. Okay, only English subject, and I'm a government teacher, so I will tell you nowadays in in the condition of government school. If in government school, children are only taught to speak. Children are only taught to read and write, but they are not taught to speak English. I believe that along with children should be speak English along with reading and writing, because there are four skills to teach any skills, any language in this world. These are called learning, LSRW. These are called LSRW. L matlab L means learning, S means speaking, R means reading, W means writing. Learning, reading, speaking, learning, reading, speaking, writing, and listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So, guys, if you want to get success in your life, then you have to do a lot of hard work and you have to speak English. Be- because without speaking, you can't get success in your life. Thank you very much. Have a good day.